scalpers, make your money every single time. Every single time it does this. Right here's your put, right here's your stop, right? Always have your stop. So if you're in a put, by the way, so let's say you bought a put here, right? This is your stop. And then down here, you have to watch this area. Why? It's a critical area. This is where I shed, right? That way, if it pops up against me, it's okay. And then I can dump the rest. Do you see how this works over and over and over? If you long it here, then your stop should be right below it, right? That way, minimal risk, right? There's always a risk, but we want to try to minimize our risk, right? And there's the pull again. If it stays below 124.19, stays, breaks, and holds, you're in a put or a short, and your stop will be just above it. Are we all doing that? There's your move. You see it staying? You see it staying down there? That's the move. Now I missed it. I was late, but that's the move right there. Come on, I can make more than that. I just don't want to be, there it goes. I'll take it. There's $100, $106. So that's the move that I told you guys about exactly to the penny, exactly how to do it. It looks like that. Yeah, look at this, Mark, looking at Tesla where we drew it before the market. It touched here, all of here, right here, and then it broke. And then I called the long, went up towards VWAP where I said, look for it to go back up to VWAP. Then it pulled back. Now it's pulling back up. So now it wants to go right back where it was, about this 271 range. And there we go again, right?